David? Okay. Could you give me a rundown of the equipment before a demo?
Basically running sound digital, 3Ks, 2 of them, 2 12-inch ground zeros, XMAX, and 2 Optima batteries right now. Stock alternator.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yep.
Dude, this is different. I like this.
Different, huh?
It's cool. I like it. Yeah. I like it, dude, for real. It's different. I like it. Yeah, I'm ready, man. So you built all of it, like you said?
Yes, sir.
So you wanted to be different? Is that what it was? Something unique?
Yeah,
or?
and then I'm going to rebuild it again.
There it is. All right. AI Customs. What location?
Hey, we're in Marietta.
Marietta? Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you for the demo, man. Yeah, they get a little smelly. That happens sometimes.
Oh, yeah. They get hot on demos.
Yeah. So, have you metered it?
Yeah, 142.1.
142? Yeah. For a single? Or no, there's 2, yeah. And yellow tops. 2 yellow tops. Are these 3000s? Are those wired to each sub?
Yeah.
Okay. Are they, and they're at 1 ohm, 2 ohm?
2 ohm.
2 ohm, okay. And then that's your mid and highest amp?
Yep.
All right.
By forward,
Awesome.
crossover.
Okay. Can I see, is there an alternator size? What size was it? Just stock?
All stock.
All stock, all right. So your
I haven't got there yet.
You haven't got there?
I'm redoing the box.
Okay.
Yet, so.
That's pretty cool.
Yes.
I have never seen that before. I like that.
You can open the door if you want.
Yeah, man, I would love to check out the back. Thanks for the demo. That looks great. Nissan Titan. Awesome. Sweet build, man. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.